This user guide will show you how to add a new position on the Lumina Applicants Tracker. First, visit www.luminalearning.com in order to log into our system. Press the Login button in the top right-hand corner. Then, use your Lumina account details to sign in to Lumina Online. Now navigate to Lumina Services on the left-hand menu. Then enter the Applicants Tracker area. You now have the Applicants Tracker interface in front of you. Add a new position using the highlighted button. You will now be able to create a new position. Enter a name for the position. Select which practitioner profile you would like to use. Select the norm type for the position. Please note you won't be able to make a change to this at a later date. Then choose a pipeline for your position. All default and previously created pipelines will appear on this list. You will be able to change your pipeline after creating the position. If you wish to create a new pipeline or edit an existing one, you will be able to do this once the position is created. Configure the product using the Lumina Select button. Then add the position. Thank you for listening to this user guide on adding a new position to the Lumina Applicants Tracker. We hope you found it helpful. Please feel free to contact support@luminalearning.com if you have any further queries.